Thank you for choosing MApp to create your farm biosecurity or secure food supply plan maps. This tutorial will introduce the MApp website, how to create a MApp app account, and how to use the MApp app dashboard. On the website, visitors can find quick facts about using the MApp app, a brief video about secure food supply mapping, and FAQs about premises IDs. A premises ID is not required to create a map, but can be entered and stored with it. For a secure food supply map to be reviewed, a premises ID or PIN may be required. To get or update a premises ID, start by following this link to the Healthy Farms, Healthy Agriculture webpage that lists all 50 state PIN contacts at https://go.uvm.edu/premises-id. To learn about using MApp, check out the other tutorials on creating, saving, and printing a map on the tutorials page. Review MApp's terms of use and privacy policy here. If you have any questions, please fill out the Contact Us form on the website. To create a new account, click the Create an Account link in the website navigation. Enter into the account creation form first and last name, email address, and a password. Create a secure password that is at least 8 to 10 characters long, combining upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Do not use passwords from other application logins, birth dates, or familiar names. Creating an account or logging in opens the MApp app dashboard. The top navigation menu links are for the dashboard, tutorials, and account settings. The dashboard contains a list of maps previously created or imported into an account. Click Create a Map to get started. Then enter a premises 911 address, give the map a name. The map type is biosecurity and safety, and a premises ID, but that can be added later. With the exception of the map type, edit any of these details by clicking the pencil button. The newly created map will be saved automatically to the account dashboard. The map is saved in the dashboard as a .json or JSON file. This file can be exported, downloaded to a local computer, and then re-imported when needed. The JSON file can be shared with other MApp account holders by email, file transfer, etc. after downloading. However, the JSON file cannot be shared with other account holders within the MApp application.